To connect to Phantom Wallet and create a wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the Add to Browser button. This will download and install the Phantom extension to your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will then be prompted to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password and confirm it. Then click on the Create Wallet button. Phantom will then generate a recovery phrase for your wallet. This is a list of 12 words that will be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet. After you have written down the recovery phrase, click on the I have saved my seed phrase button to confirm. Your Phantom wallet is now created and you can start using it to send, receive and store Solana tokens. To connect to the Phantom wallet, go to a website that supports Phantom, such as a decentralized application or a Solana blockchain explorer, and click on the Connect Wallet button. Select Phantom as the wallet you want to connect, and then click on the Connect button. You will then be prompted to confirm the connection in the Phantom extension. Click on the Connect button to confirm and you will be connected to the Phantom wallet. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure, as losing access to your wallet can result in loss of funds. Always use a strong and unique password, and store your recovery phrase in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. By following these steps, you can securely connect to Phantom Wallet and create a new wallet.